Hi mga ka-soldering! So for today's video, ipapakita namin sa inyo is ESD bottles.
So what is the use of ESD bottles?
ESD electrostatic discharge. Bottles are specialized containers designed to store and transport sensitive electronic components and devices safely. These bottles are made from materials that prevent the buildup of static electricity, which can damage electronic components. The primary use of ESD bottles is to store and transport electronic components that are sensitive to electrostatic discharge. By storing components in ESD bottles, the risk of damage from static electricity is minimized. ESD bottles are commonly used in industries such as electronics, manufacturing, telecommunications, aerospace, and medical device manufacturing. ESD bottles are typically made from materials such as conductive plastic or dissipative plastics that help to safely discharge any static electricity that may build up on the surface of the bottle. This prevents the transfer of static charges to the electronic components stored inside, protecting them from damage. In summary, ESD bottles are essential for safely storing and transporting sensitive electronic components to prevent damage caused by electrostatic discharge.
What industries commonly use ESD bottles for storing electronic components?
ESD, electrostatic discharge bottles, are commonly used in various industries that deal with sensitive electronic components. Some of industries that frequently use ESD bottles for storing electronic components include Number 1, electronics manufacturing. The electronics manufacturing industries relies heavily on ESD protection to prevent damage to sensitive electronic components during production, assembly, and storage. Number 2, telecommunications. Companies in the telecommunications industry use ESD bottles to store and transport delicate electronic components used in devices such as smartphones, routers, and networking equipment. Number 3, aerospace. The aerospace industry utilizes ESD bottles to safeguard critical electronic components used in aircraft systems, satellites, and other aerospace applications. Number 4, medical device manufacturing. ESD protection is crucial in the medical device manufacturing industry to ensure the integrity and functionality of electronic components used in medical equipment and devices. Number 5, automotive. Automotive manufacturers are used ESD bottle to store and transport electronic components used in vehicles including sensors, control modules, and entertainment system. Number 6, semiconductor industry. The semiconductor industry relies on ESD protection to prevent damage to sensitive semiconductor devices during manufacturing, testing, and handling processes. Overall, industries that deal with sensitive electronic components and devices where electrostatic discharge can cause damage prioritize the use of ESD bottles to ensure the safety and integrity of their products. So guys, ito ang ating mga ESD bottles. ESD spray bottle. So guys, meron tayong available na color na yellow tsaka blue. Sa size, meron tayong 8 ounce na 250 ml and then meron tayong 16 ounce na 500 ml.
ESD spray bottle for use in EPA area. Average surface resistance less than or equal to 10 to 8 to 9 ohms. Light blue dissipative bottle which can be used in EPA area. Molded anti-static polyethylene free of ethoxylated tertiary amines. BPA bisphenol A free. Good resistance to alcohol, solvents, and other chemicals. A hand-triggered spray bottle produced from a durable, static, dissipative polyethylene allowing an ESD-safe method of dispensing liquids within the EPA. Features. Number 1. Surface resistance 10 to the 9 power to 10 to the 10th power ohms square. Number 2. Chemical resistance. Solvent TCE alcohol. Number 3. 2 size options. Number 4. Suitable for clean room use.
So guys, meron din tayong wash bottle. Meron din tayong size na 16 ounce tsaka 8 ounce. Meron din tayong available na color na yellow at blue.
ESD wash bottle. Used to water solder sponge in EPA area. Average surface resistance less than or not equal to 10 to 8 to 9 ohms. Light blue dissipative bottle which can be used in EPA area. Molded anti-static polyethylene free for ethoxylated tertiary amines. BPA bisphenol A free. A durable ESD-safe wash bottle with angled nozzle for accurate, even dispensing. A reusable ESD bottle produced from static dissipative polyethylene and surface. Number 1. Surface resistance 10 to the 9th power to 10 to the 10th power ohms square. Number 2, chemical resistance, solvent TCE alcohol. Number 3, leak resistance. Number 4, suitable for clean room use.
So guys, meron din tayong ESD water bottle. So guys, meron din tayong available color na yellow at saka blue. Sa size naman, meron din tayong 8 ounce na 250 ml sa 16 ounce na 500 ml.
ESD water bottle. For drinking in EPA area, average surface resistance less than or not equal to 10 to 8 to 9 ohms. Light blue dissipative bottle which can be used in EPA area. Molded anti-static polyethylene free for ethoxylated tertiary amines. BPA bisphenol A free. Good resistance to alcohol, solvents, and other chemicals. Fluid dispenser, ESD safe with a Yorker cup. This static dissipative, 8 and 60 ohms. Bottles have an average surface resistivity of 10 by 9 to 10 by 10 ohms square and will be dissipate a static charge of positive and negative, 5,000 voltage in less than 2 seconds.
So guys, ito ang ating mga ESD bottles. So guys, meron nga pala tayong makakasama galing company. So Ate Jen, sharean mo naman kami about sa ESD bottles, kung saan siya ginagamit at kung ano yung pwedeng ilagay sa mga ESD bottles natin.
So guys, ang ating ESD spray bottle ay ginagamit para sa IPA. Nilalagyan siya ng IPA or kahit anong liquid na ESD. Yun lang ang dapat gamitin sa kanya. Yun lang po.
Ayun lang ang share mo sa amin natin. Jen.
Yun lang kasi ang dapat gamitin kasi bawal siyang hindi siya pwedeng gamitin sa ibang bagay. Kailangan liquid lang lahat.
Liquid lang talaga dapat.
Liquid lang.
So guys, yun lang pala dapat ang pwedeng ilaman sa kanya. Mga liquid na mga ganun. So guys, please subscribe our YouTube channel and TikTok account. Yun lang. Maraming salamat.